Welcome to Forno Appliance technical support video. In this video we will demonstrate how to install the oven door handle for the following models. You will be needing a star screwdriver and a long nose plier for this process. Open oven door. Remove rubber caps located behind the door. Make sure not to lose them, you will be needing them shortly. Position your door at 45-degree angle. Place handle in position of the screws. Once in position, insert the screwdriver in the hole and tighten the screw. You can use the vent opening on top of the door for guidance. Once you tighten both screws, place the rubber caps back. This completes the installation of your oven door handle.